Another beautiful day and another day to head out to Dollar Tree and find more of those beautiful window clings that I love working with. If you have not found these, I encourage you go to Dollar Tree, check them out. They're so good to graft with. All right, I'm going to start with a piece of square of a foam core, just any square. I'm going to spray that top with some adhesive spray, and then once it's sticky, I am going to remove this beautiful cling that says Hello Autumn and place it right in the center. I'm going to make sure that most of the bubbles are completely gone. And then I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and I'm just going to cut off the excess from the edges, making sure that it's as close to the decal as possible. Again, these stick wonderfully in glass, but if you're going to stick it in any other surface, you may want to add spray or Mod Podge. I'm going to take this fabric pumpkin. I love working with these. These are beautiful color. I removed the stem and now I'm just poking all kinds of holes on the top because I want to place florals, and it's easier to poke with like a screwdriver, which is pointier and harder than it is with stems. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm just going to start placing different florals, different styles. Some I'm going to place the entire pick. Some other ones I'm going to tear them apart a little bit, but I am going to add hot glue because I want to gift this one to my mom and I want to make sure it's nice and secure. So remember, you can add any florals you want. You can also keep it on the neutral side if you'd like. I love this combination of yellow and oranges. I think it's gorgeous. All right, so the Hello Autumn sign, I'm going to place a skewer stick right through the center, like in between, we're talking about the foam part from the foam core. And I'm making sure that it doesn't poke through the end or the sides. And then I'm just going to poke another hole in the pumpkin, place it in with some hot glue, and then make sure that the little sign is just right there in the front so that you can see it. And look how gorgeous this is. I tell you what, these window clings are so versatile, and it took this arrangement to a whole new level. What do you think? This next Dollar Tree DIY craft, I'm going to take these 4 wood slices. These are from Amazon, and these are come already with a drilled hole on them. I'm going to have them on my Amazon store, which is always linked down below if you want to check them out. They're so good for crafting. I'm going to make 4 ornaments. Now, I made Easter ornaments during the Easter season, and you guys loved them, and I loved doing them. So I thought, why not make some autumn and fall ones? So here we are. We're going to make 4, but you can make as many as you want. I added Mod Podge to the first one and this cute little mushroom decal or cling. And then I'm just going to place it on top and add one more coat of the Mod Podge just to seal everything in. I'm going to do the same exact process for the other 3, just making sure that I pick clings that are similar in size to fit inside the each wood slice. Now, if it overlaps, just cut it with an X-Acto knife very carefully. And then, of course, we are going to seal all of them with a second coat of Mod Podge right on top. For the last wood slice, I think it's so cute. It's the smallest one of the 4, and I found this cute little stay cozy cling. I thought it was gorgeous. It overlaps a little bit. I'm just going to cut off the excess again with my X-Acto knife, just the 4 corners so that it fits nice and smooth in there. And then, of course, we want to seal it. Now, I want all of these ornaments to really complement each other, but all have different looks and styles. So I'm going to take different ribbons and different decors to place on them. For this one, we're going to take some raffia. This is natural color raffia. I'm going to make a very simple bow with multiple loops, fluff it a little bit, and hot glue it to the top. Then I'm going to add a tiny little pine cone. You can find these at, I think it was Hobby Lobby that I found them. They're so cute and small. And then I'm going to add more ribbon in a loop to the back so that it can be hung. Now you're probably thinking, where on earth would I hang an autumn ornament? I tell you what, if you have plants, you can put them on the branches. You can also place these anywhere, like on a tray. You don't even have to hang them. Just stack them next to each other and they look so cute. I did add a little acorn to that one. Did you see that? Oh, so pretty. All right, for this one, we're going to take a cute little buffalo check orange and white ribbon, make a small little bow, cut the excess ribbon, hot glue it on top, and we're also going to add a little pine cone. I just couldn't resist. I just love how cute they are. And again, we're just going to add a looped ribbon to the back so that it can be hung if we want. Now we're just about done with this one, but I gotta say, I can't even choose a favorite of the four. I think they just all complement each other really nicely, but I'd love to know what you think. What a fun craft to do. You can do this with friends, you can do this with kiddos, whatever you want, let me know. For the next Dollar Tree fall DIY craft, I'm going to take this wood blank. You can find these at Dollar Tree in their crafting aisle. They have a ton of wood blanks, and this one comes pretty set already. You can always paint it. I just thought I'm just going to sand it down just a little bit for a smooth finish, and we're going to leave it just like this. We're going to keep it simple. I'm going to add Mod Podge, and we're going to make a cute little pumpkin spice sign. These would be perfect for a coffee station, in the kitchen, wherever you want. So I'm going to add these little, aren't these cute? It's like a little banner made from pumpkin pie slices. How cute. Again, same process. Add Mod Podge, remove any excess cling, and then you want to seal everything with Mod Podge to seal everything. My friends, if you have not checked out my online course, it is available and it is linked down below in the description box. It's all about how to introduce power tools to your crafting. So if you want to learn more about it, check it out. It is linked below. So I added the pumpkin spice portion, and now this cute little coffee cup was in there as well. I'm going to tilt it just a bit on the left side, and then just this little blank space, I'm just going to add a pumpkin. Why not? Again, seal everything with Mod Podge, let it dry, and look how cute this looks. Oh my goodness, this again would look great in a coffee station or in your kitchen or wherever you want. For this next Dollar Tree DIY craft, I'm going to take this glass jar. Now, it looks like a mason jar, but it's like a pasta sauce jar. I love keeping these because they look like mason jars and you don't have to like buy them. All right, so I cleaned it and dusted it well, and I'm just going to put this Give Thanks cling right in front. Now, this is a glass jar, so it sticks perfect on it. We're going to add some Spanish moss. You can leave it clear if you want. I just thought I'd add the moss because we are going to add stems for floral arrangement, and I just don't want to see all those stems inside. So I think adding some moss was a really good idea. I'm going to keep adding florals and stems as I see fit, just to make a nice, vibrant floral arrangement for a centerpiece or anywhere in your home. One more thing I want to remind you of, if you have not joined my email list, the link is also in the description box. You can join. I email once a week with upload updates as well as any updates from my channel. So if you want to check it out, it is linked below. All right, so I have an arrangement that I really like. So now I'm just going to add a ribbon. Now you can skip this part. This is optional. I just thought there was something missing right there and where that threaded portion is in the jar. So I'm going to make a bow to put right on there. I cut 2 pieces of ribbon. They're about 14 inches long. I folded it in half, and then I dove cut the ends. I'm going to face them opposite side to each other, scrunch them, fluff, and just tie it in the center with some jute string. Again, you can skip this part, but I think it actually brought the entire arrangement really together. It added a pop of color, and I love the way it turned out. And here's what I love about this arrangement. When fall's over, I can remove everything, including the cling, and make a Christmas one. Let me know which one is your favorite, and if you want to watch more Dollar Tree DIY craft for fall, check this video out, click on it. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.